Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So izolo kuphuma indaba ke lapho khona uHugo Broos ade ekhuluma khona nebeyindaba esho ukuthi ke ade kukhona ichance ukuthi ke iBafana Bafana idlale against iBrazil, iBafana Bafana idlale against iArgentina njengoba bezolungiselela ukuthi bayodlala kuWorld Cup. Babe nalo ithuba lokuthi ke bakhulume nayo iBrazil and bakhulume nayo iArgentina. But ke into emshokhile kakhulu uHugo Broos as ucoach ukuthi ke imali efunwa iBrazil, imali efunwa iBrazil ukuthi basukele eBrazil beze khona la eSouth Africa bazodlala against iBafana Bafana nayo iArgentina bebefuna izumbulo ngempela zemali, yabo bebengafuni nje imali encane, bebefuna izumbulo ngempela. Kuthiwa bebefuna imali engango 100 million. There was a 100 million price tag that was demanded by Brazil. Yabo yobeshe nje ucoach ukuthi ama games abe possible, yabo igame yeArgentina neBafana Bafana ibe possible, igame yeBrazil against iBafana Bafana. Kodwa ke lokho bekuzoyicosta iSouth Africa, bekuzoyicosta iSAFA ngoba imali ababeyidinga. Remember ke iSAFA bafethu ayinayo imali, yabo ayinayo imali etheni iSAFA, ihluleka nje ukukhokhela even ama players aqhamuka le kwiBafana Bafana eyidlala kwiChan, yabo isathana kuyithola imali yayo. Abantu abadlala abaningi babengakayithola imali yabo. Imali kahle kahle ayikho kwiSAFA, yabo imali engango 100 million ukuthi ikhishwe yiSAFA for lama fixtures lawo bekuzoyilimaza kakhulu. So ingakho bedecide ukuzohosta iPanama, yabo iPanama. Remember abantu abaningi bebeyibuza ukuthi why sizodlala against iPanama, iyakubi iPanama. Remember bafethu iPanama vele ikhona nayo kwiWorld Cup, yabo njoba nje ikhona kwiWorld Cup i-team right kakhulu for thina iBafana Bafana ukuthi ke si prepare against yona i-team esingayazi nayo asiyazi, nayo ayisazi njalo ayiyazi iBafana Bafana, nathi asiyazi ukuthi idlala kanjani leya team leya iPanama. Iyona ke into besobe sibhekene nayo kuBafana Bafana, nothi kuBafana Bafana njalo kwiWorld Cup. KwiWorld Cup sobe sibhekene nama team esingawazi sadlala kanjani and strength sawo sikanjani, yabo kakhulukazi nje kwigroup yeBafana Bafana. Mawasubheka iMexico kuthiwa ayikho right now, yayinswembu kudala but ke right now kuthiwa ayidlali kahle. So kumele wazi ukuthi okay nje uyodlala against iPanama vele eyakhona kulawo ma regions lawo ako South America, yabo badlala ibhola elicishe elifane neteam yase Mexico. Remember ke igame iyadlalwa ngoLesihlanu idlala le Moses Mabhida, enye ke igame eyodlalwa bafethu idlala le Cape Town. Hambani niyothenga amathikithi. So kunomuntu ade ngibuza le uthi iBafana Bafana vane seke yadlala nje neFrance, njengoba iBafana Bafana yadlala neFrance ngo2022 lapho khona iBafana Bafana izishawa ngo5-0. Kwakwenze njani lapho iBafana Bafana izidlala neFrance? Bafethu iBafana Bafana ngenkathi idlala neFrance, iFrance iyona eyabiza iBafana Bafana ukuthi ihambe iye le eFrance bayodlala for ama friendlies ngoba iBafana Bafana yayingaqualifyanga for iWorld Cup, yabo yayingakwazanga ukuthi iphumelele. So they decided ukuthi ke babheke ama team akhona a strong abangakwazi badlale nawo ukuze ba prepare for iWorld Cup, yabo amanye ama nations ayiqualifyile ayiprepare nawo with ama friendlies abawa organizile. So iFrance yakhetha iBafana Bafana ukuthi bazodlala na. Remember ke kuhlukile uma ulanda icountry uyisusa le ezweni lawo izila, yabo iBafana Bafana ikhokhanga ama expenses ukuthi idlale against iFrance because ayikho into iBafana Bafana ebizoyigaina rather than mhlambe ke ukudlala against the superstars, cause yayingekho icompetition ababekuyona, babeyodlala nje just to help iFrance idlale kahle kuWorld Cup. Naku ke iFrance isifika na kwifinal because babethola iBafana Bafana yabadlalisa kahle baqina ngempela bayishaya ngo5-0. But ke ngingengazi bafethu nina ngokwenu, do you think iBafana Bafana idlale kancane la bekumele bayikhiphe imali? Because remember phela imali ihlezi ikhishwa, each and every department ekhona la eSouth Africa ikhona with the budget yakhona. Njoba ikhona with the budget. I'm sure ibudget ihlezi ikhishwa each and every year, ibudget iyakhishwa, yabo I'm sure abantu bebazi ukuthi iBafana Bafana iyo prepare for iWorld Cup. Njoba nje iprepare for iWorld Cup iqualifyile, yaqualify last year. Lezi imali bekumele zihlelwe kahle ukuthi okay iBafana Bafana nje uyiqualifyile, kumele kukhishwe imali ezizokwazi ukuthi zisize iBafana Bafana iyodlala against the high teams, the top teams, ukuze iBafana Bafana izokwazi ukuthi mifika vele isifamiliar with the level of ibhola ekumele bali expect, yabo. But ke mina I'm not that angry, I'm not that shocked ukuthi ke si observe for iPanama. Na iPanama isengashock abafethu. So I'm expecting ukuthi iPanama ishoke as a nation ukuthi ishaye, yabo I want iPanama ishaye iBafana Bafana. The reason why I want iPanama ishaye iBafana Bafana because kona kuzoclicka kubafana beBafana Bafana ukuthi okay njengoba sisoshawa iPanama i-team ade singayilindela ukuthi izosishaya, kumele sazi ukuthi mase siya lapha siyodlala siyodlala ngempela because akumele si-approach le game lengawuthi vele sizobashaya obani o second best, because I'm sure iPanama njengoba nje ibona le indaba lezi iyasho ukuthi how shuthi thina so second best sisibize ngoba sesibizwa nje just because iBafana Bafana ihlulekile ukukhipha imali, isafa ihlulekile ukukhipha imali for those high ranking teams like Brazil and Argentina. So kumele benze sure ukuthi ke baqinisa isandla against iBafana Bafana khona nabo abafana bezokwazi ukuthi okay siyodlala ke lapha, siyodlala against the top teams, nathi kumele sibehave. So ngokwami there was no need to address lento kanje nabafethu publicly. Maybe ke ama journalists la eSouth Africa ayathanda ukukhuluma, ayathanda ukubuza imibuzo engenasidingo. Hugo Bros uvela ikhiphe nje izinjalo, yabo akaloke ejika lena le uvela ikhiphe nje izinjalo. So uvele washo ukuthi ke imali ababeyidinga imali engaka. I remember Argentina, I think ayidlala nani Argentina, yayidlala neAngola, yabo Argentina yezala eAfrica ezodlala neAngola. Angola ngakhumbula kuthiwa yakhipha imali enkulu ngempela ukuzobona uMessi